Hello. Hello. This is Vesela Trojan 0.2 beta or even alpha release. It is highly unstable. It is a work in progress, but I wanted to show you the progress and changes I have made to the new release. This is the source code for Vesela. You have the standard subroutines and functions, die with error, and a signal handler there. Now this signal handler shouldn't have printf statements as recommended by the Linux Systems Programming Manual, but it isn't the end of the world if you include them. But we'll see why in a minute, why you shouldn't include printf statements for a signal handler. This is a routine to get the current working directory. This routine compares two characters, compares two characters, and if they match it returns 0 or else it returns 1. This is a very interesting routine. It compares two characters using the above getChar routine, and then using a struct which was above the code earlier in a global setting. It uses a struct to store each line of code input into the server. There's quite a lot of commands there. Then you have get command, which gets a comparison against the command entered. Now this is a TCP client handler. I have commented out the first receive because it is unneeded and it caused a problem in the first version. Anyway, now you can just go straight into programming without having to press enter first. Here it sends, then it receives on the TCP/IP network connection. I've yet to build a client for this, but this is where it calls the lines routine with echo buffer. That's the receive buffer, and this is where it compares print working directory, and the get command compares print working directory to the echo buffer. Let's just get straight into it. Go scroll down a bit more. Here's the main segment, setting up some signal handlers, setting up a connection, walking off the connections. So if we were to execute, we're going to have to modify this a bit. If we were to execute Vesela on, there we go. As you can see, it just created a child process. Now, if we were to type in a command, print working directory, we get the print working directory. And you can see the output, which will be removed from the final version of this. It's got 4 spaces. That's the print working directory and the new line. It starts at the beginning. break from print working directory, that's always there. Just helps me out. And if we type in my name, Alex, it returns is cool. Alex is cool. Now we can also do print. Now if we do ls lsa no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 echoes it back, but on this end we have broken it down into each space separates the lines, and that's what get command did. There you can see space 3 start 0 space 5 start 3 space 21 start 8. Yeah, now this is why, now if we were to exit this, that will just say break from pawned, but then we can go back into it, print working directory, Alex, these are the two commands I've implemented so far, break from it. Now if we were to exit this, we now have 3 quart SIGINTs. Now imagine if 20 connections were made, or 100, would have a lot of quart SIGINTs mounting up to be printed out. Because if you just do it once, it's quart SIGINT once. But because we were connecting to a child process, that's why. So anyway, that's the development so far of Vesela Trojan 0.2 version. Ha ha ha.